234.5 into 56. Yeah, 234 into 346. First do normal multiplication, remove the decimal points and do normal multiplication. When you do normal multiplication, 234 into 346, you will get
Sai Ritvik, eating.
80,964. 80,964.
Sai Ritvik of 7B. Sai Ritvik of 7B is eating and
809.64.
listening to the class.
Sai
Apna
Ritvik?
teacher?
Yes.
Sai Ritvik is eating and he is roaming here and there.
Tell him to, okay. Sai Ritvik, pay attention to the class. Takshil, can you explain why we have put the decimal point here? 809.64. Can you explain
Teacher,
that?
because it is multiplication, first we should do plain
Normal
multiplication.
multiplication, yeah.
Yes, teacher. After that, we should check how many points are there in the question, teacher. Means
How
in
many decimal places?
23.4 decimal point.
Decimal
And
places.
23.4 places, teacher. So in both of the numbers, we have a point, teacher. 2 points, teacher. So we should in the answer we should place the point after two numbers.
Yes, 23.4 has one decimal place and 34.6 is also having one decimal place. So one digit in the decimal part. So 1 plus 1 is 2 decimal places. So in the product, you should count from the end 1, 2, then put a point. Okay, after 2 decimal places. 809.64 is the answer. Now 124 into 157. Start doing that. 124 into 157. All of you start doing that. And give your answers through the chat. 124 into 157. I'll check the chat.
Teacher, I already did. Should I tell the answer? Means it is correct.
Teacher, 184.6.8 teacher. No teacher. 184.68 teacher. 184.68.
5th B and 6th B are homework sums. Okay.
Teacher, it is 194.72.
Let others give the answers through the chat. 124.
Teacher,
Ananya,
194.72.
Teacher, 194.68.
8 teacher.
Yes.
194.68.
Let us check.
68. I told teacher.
What others are doing? Are you solving the sums? See, 124 into 157. We'll get 194.68.
Yes, teacher.
Who got 72? Takshil.
Takshil.
You got 72.
I and Nikhil got correct answer.
I got teacher.
So you are you have done mistake. Where did you do mistake? If you are doing multiplication wrong, that means you are not perfect with the tables, isn't it? And you are not perfect with the tables only, these errors occur. Who is this? Bharat.
Yes, teacher.
Show your answer, Bharat. Show your book. Bharat.
Teacher.
Show your book. Show your book, ma.
Wait. Teacher, I didn't write in a book, teacher.
Then where did you write?
I wrote in a paper, teacher.
What is in front of you? You have any book in front of you?
No, it's a paper, teacher.
Show that paper. Nothing is there. I know. You have switched off your camera. So this is the way you are coming to the classes. No books in front of you, nothing. Simply sitting and listening to the class. If you listen, you will get something. Math you have to do. Always you should do. Very bad, Bharat. I want to check your notes. Did you start writing in the Technopad?
No, teacher. I wrote in another book, teacher.
Where is that book? Bring it and show me now.
Yes.
Hansini, show your book, ma. Yes, 196, 194.68. Very good. Aditri, can you show your book? Your book.
Teacher, mine.
Your sum.
Teacher, mine.
Show me. Show your sum, ma.
Teacher, I'm not able to hear you now, teacher, after when you were speaking.
Now you can hear. Can you show your book?
I didn't take the sum, teacher. I did the other ones. 1 minute, I'll show.
Now I gave you one sum to do in the class now. What you are doing?
Teacher,
I-
now is it correct, teacher?
Show little up, sir. Up. Who is that? Little more up.
Takshil.
194.68, yes. But while doing multiplication only, here itself you kept the dot. First you will do normal numbers, multiplication with normal numbers. Here you should not put the point.
No, teacher, I strike off the point.
Okay, okay. Manvita, show me properly. Little more front. I was asking-
194.68 is correct, teacher.
Yes. It's okay now. Let us move further. Sixth question. Yes, sixth question. Multiply the given two decimal numbers. Again, multiply. Just now we have done that. Okay. Now moving on to seventh question. Find the quotient for the following. Who will explain this? Manogna.
Sir, can I?
Who is that?
Nikhil.
I will unmute Manogna.
Teacher, I will explain, teacher.
Manogna, can you tell me
Yes,
how
teacher.
to divide with powers of 10, like 10, 100? Can you tell me?
Yes, teacher. So we have one number, teacher, like in the question 459.04.
Yes.
So when we divide any two numbers, the answer will be the answer will decrease. So if we have 10, teacher, and 10 has 1 0.
Okay.
So the decimal point will move to the left by 1 place.
Yes. So what is the answer?
The answer is 45.904.
Very good. Very good. Next, Nikhil.
Similarly, like that, if
Yes,
we have
teacher.
more zeros,
Nikhil, wait. ma.
like for 100 or 1000,
Who
we'll
is
move the same
speaking?
points.
Yes, yes, very good. Just write down these in your notebooks now itself. In the Technopad, you can write directly the classwork sums what we are discussing now. Nikhil, explain the B bit, ma.
Teacher, when we did multiplication with the powers of 10, teacher, we moved the point towards right side, teacher.
Yeah.
Now in division, how many zeros are there? That many points we should move towards left side, teacher. Example, if 459
Example, I don't want example. B bit answer to
Yeah.
explain.
Yes, teacher. Now there are 2 zeros in 100, teacher. So we should move the point 2 digits towards the left side, teacher. The answer is 2.4615, teacher.
Very good. 2.4615.
15.
Just we have moved the decimal point 2 steps towards the left.
Left side.
2, 4, 6, 1, 5. Okay, here is a decimal point. So 1 step back, 2 step back. So you should get a point here. Clear? Yes.
Teacher, I have a doubt.
Yeah, tell me.
Teacher means they gave PDF in Technopad, means in parent portal, and teacher means from that we should write fractions and decimals notes, teacher, or what you are giving now?
In the PDF, you have PPT and worksheet, no? Yes.
Means that worksheet
You
we
write
should
those
write
worksheets.
notes.
Same worksheet is shared in the portal, ma. Same worksheet. This is not different from that. Both are same.
That we should write in Technopad, teacher.
Yes, all these we are discussing, no? What are classwork, what are homework, right? Neatly accordingly. Both the worksheets are same. Is it clear?
Okay.
Now, moving on to 8th question. Find the quotient for Manvita, Sai Manvita. Find the quotient for 32.768. Just can you explain me, Sai Manvita, how to do this? Just explanation. Yeah.
Yes, teacher. First, we should divide the
Hmm.
both numbers, and then we should place the decimal point to the answer. We should. Here we have 32.768.
Hmm.
So there are 3 letters after the decimal point.
Uh-huh. So the same as we have done in multiplication, you are going to follow the same, isn't it? Are you following the same?
Can I tell?
Wait a minute. Nikhil, are you Nikhil?
Yes, teacher.
Please mute yourself. Nikhil, mute yourself. Your chance is over, Nikhil. Let others also talk. Who is that? Manvita. So we are following the same method as we have done in multiplication. Did I explain you in that way? 32.768. Can you tell me now how to do this division? Yes, we will do.
Write 4.
Let me check with Lasya. Lasya, how to do the division, Lasya? Lasya. Lasya, unmute yourself. And who is this? Gautami. Gautami, unmute yourself. Yeah. Can you explain how to do this? Manvita, listen to her. Yes, tell me, ma.
Yesterday you did not explain how to do it, teacher. We just completed till multiplication.
But PPT, division explanation is done before, no?
Kirti, concentrate on the class, Kirti.
Okay,
Teacher, can I tell teacher?
it's okay. Who is that?
Manogna teacher.
Manogna. Yes, tell me.
Yes, teacher. So, as 32 is divided, can be divided by 8, teacher. So,
Mm.
for 8, for
Excuse
the
me, Swapna
32
teacher?
will divide it.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Then
teacher.
we'll get
Teacher.
0.
Yes, teacher.
Next is
Kirti of
decimal
Just wait,
point,
ma.
teacher.
Manogna, just wait.
Yes,
Teacher, tell
Kirti
me.
of 7B.
What is she doing?
Kirti of 7B, she is playing with her brother and talking with someone. She is not at all concentrating in the class.
Yes, Kirti, what is going on? Please
See.
note down the names, teacher. Kirti and one more name who is eating. We will send an
Is she
SMS.
not able to hear us? Is she not able to hear us? In spite of, I don't know whether she is able to hear or not. She is doing the
It's
same
okay.
way.
Okay. First, you note down her name, Kirti, and what is the other child eating in the class? Kirti and...
Ritvik.
Okay. I have noted down.
Once you unmute Kirti, no, teacher, and you ask her whether she is able to hear us or not.
Yes, I am doing that. Kirtika. Is she Kirtika?
No, it is Kirti of 7B. Only Kirti.
There is no such name here.
I think she left.
Yeah.
Not there.
Not there. She left.
It is not there. Just now she
we
left.
will send an SMS to her.
Okay.
So here, Manogna, I'll give you
Yes,
chance again. Let me explain once. Now we are dividing a decimal number by a whole number. What we are doing? Decimal number by a whole number. So just you will do normal division. See, in decimal number we have two parts, whole number part and decimal part, isn't it? Whole number part is 32, decimal part is 768. So first we will start the division with the whole number part. 8. 32 goes how many times in 8?
8 fours are
8. 4 is 32. Okay. Now the division with the whole number part is over, isn't it? Whenever the numbers in the whole number part is over, then we will put a point in the quotient. Before using the numbers in the decimal part, we will put a point in the quotient. Now you bring this 7 down. 7 is divisible by 8. 7 there in 8 table. No. So we will take one more number. 6. When you are taking 2 digits at a time, add a 0 to the quotient. Why? Because 8 zeros is 0. Because 7 is not there in 8 table. So 7. Then we will bring this 6 down. Now 76. Is it clear?
Teacher,
That is the
Teacher,
reason
what-
we will add a 0 in the quotient. Okay.
teacher, what if the number to the whole number is not divisible by the divisor?
Yeah, very good. In such a case, suppose it is 30 here. How many times it goes? 8 threes are. 8 threes are 24. You will be left with one number. But the division with whole number part is over. Suppose we will take 8, 5 point something. 5.24. This is your question, isn't it? What if?
Yes, teacher.
So now 5 is not divisible here. So 8 zeros is 0. Division with whole number part is over. So we will put a point here in the quotient.
Sapna
Okay.
teacher,
Yes.
Vinith is sleeping, lying on the bed and listening to the class.
You just instruct him directly, teacher.
Okay, Vinith, why are you lying down on the bed and listening to the class?
So now 76 will go how many times?
Vinith, sit properly, get up.
in 8 table we don't have 76.
Yeah,
Vinith,
somehow.
sit
So take
properly
8.
or not, Vinith?
8 nines are 72.
Yes, 8
Vinith.
nines are. Vinith.
See, he is just lying down. He is able to hear, but he is acting.
Why Vinith? 8 nines are is 72. Okay.
72. Yes,
I am noting down your name also, Vinith.
Yes, Vinith, please send an SMS.
4,
to
8.
Vinith.
Okay, 4, 8 goes how many times? What?
6.
Yes, 8, 6
8
is
6 down.
48. So you are left with the remainder 0. So this is the way to do division. Okay, whenever only here you should be conscious about the decimal point. Where should we place the decimal point is more important. Whenever the digits, the division with whole number part is over, that means you are using one digit from the decimal part. Before using that, you should put a point in the quotient. Is it clear, children? Note down.
Yes.
But here, as you are in class 7, no need of doing this step. Directly, you can bring two numbers down and add a 0 in the quotient. Okay, like directly you can bring two numbers down and add a 0 in the quotient. Is it clear? Yes. Now next one, 59.049 divided by 9. 59.049 divided by 9. Start doing it. All of you start doing and show your book. Gautam, start doing, Gautam. Yawning. Simply sitting. Nobody is working out. I can find.
Teacher, once can you repeat the question, teacher?
Yeah, you can't see the screen. Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, teacher.
Then 59.049 divided by 9. Somebody has done
Thank you, teacher.
Manogna. Just a little more front, ma. Very good. Very good, Manogna. We'll check the
Yes,
answer.
Ankita. Ankita is showing.
Check, teacher, check. Kindly check her.
Yeah.
Lasya Sri. Lasya Sri. Lasya Sri.
Yes, teacher.
What you're doing, ma? Show your book. Show your book. Devansh. Devansh. Show your answer.
I'm doing the job.
You're talking or doing? You're talking with others.
I'm doing teacher.
Nikhilesh. Show your answer, Nikhilesh. Okay, you have done. Show it properly once. Is it the same question what you have done? Complete it. You didn't do. Complete it, Nikhilesh.
Teacher, for given is the answer 6.565.
Show. Do it. Do it fast. If you are perfect with the table, you can do the division within no time. 9 table only. Gautami, show me.
Yes, teacher. It is 6.0561.
Very good. Let us check. Sai Varsha, are you doing?
Kirti, what are you doing, Kirti?
Again she came, huh? Where is she, Kirti?
What you doing, Kirti? Whole class you're playing, you're not doing anything. Simply you're laughing, giggling, talking with somebody.
But her
You're
video
not
is
at all
off,
listening to
no?
the class. No, on. It is on now.
Where did you go? You have joined again, Kirti. Show your book, Kirti. If you are not interested, don't attend the classes. What you are doing? Pay attention to the class. Show your notebook, Kirti. What you have with you now? Nothing is there
Ask
in
her to
front
show
of you. Show your notebook, ma. Did you start writing fractions? Unmute yourself. Kirti, unmute yourself. No, no response. Aishwarya, very good, ma. Rishika, what happened?
Answer 6.561.
That is something.
Yeah, we'll check the answer, ma. Rishika, show your answer. Kirti, unmute
She
yourself.
off her camera.
Yeah.
She off her camera.
I am unmuting her. She is not doing that. Fanirmai, is it done? Fanirmai? Maitri, show your book. Maitri, show your book.
Teacher, I'm showing it's correct, teacher.
Yeah. Maitri, what happened?
Teacher, I can't hear you.
Show your notebook.
Show your
Show your
notebook.
notebook to teacher.
Teacher, I can't hear you, teacher.
From when you can't hear me? Did you do 6th, 7th, 8th questions? Okay, let us see the answer of 8th one, ma. Few students are really working down the sums. I appreciate them, but few are not at all paying attention at all. See, 8th bit, 9 6 is 54. 5 is left in the whole number part. We have used 0 from the decimal part. So before using a number, a digit from the decimal part, you should put a point in the quotient. That is why after 6, there is a point in the quotient. Now do normal division. 9 5s are 45. 54 means 9 6 are 54. One more number here you have here. So 9 1 is 9. 6.561. How many of you got that?
Actually, I got 6.056 marks. This is the same.
Why did you use 0 there? 6.0. Yeah.
Even I do.
Somebody used 0. Why did you use 0? You have taken 2 digits at a time. Nowhere we have taken 2 digits at a
No,
time.
teacher, I did not take 2 digits.
Then why did you add 0 there? Why?
I'm checking, teacher.
Is it required? Adding 0 is not
I'm
required
checking,
there.
teacher.
Okay. You try to understand my point. When you are taking
Yes,
2
teacher.
digits at a time from the dividend, then only add a 0 in the quotient. Otherwise not required. Okay. Find the quotient when divided by. Now here comes decimal division by decimal number by a decimal number. Decimal number divided by a decimal number. 6.25. Listen carefully. Is Kirti there, teacher? Is she listening?
No, I'm searching for her only. She's not there.
She left maybe. Okay. 0.5.
5.
Who is in unmute?
Teacher, I'm in unmute.
Who is that?
Gautami.
Let us give chance to Akshara. Akshara. Yes, Akshara.
Teacher, I have a doubt, teacher.
Akshara, yes, tell me.
Yes, teacher. Teacher, Manvita asked a question, right, teacher? She asked in the whole number place, if we have only a single digit which is not divisible, example in 8 table, I didn't understand that one, teacher.
How you will do division when you have 8, 5.
You explain.
I have explained this. 5.24 suppose. How you will do this?
I didn't understand that only, teacher.
What? No. Just tell me how you will do the division. Now you
First
do the
we
division.
have to do the whole number part.
Just do the division.
And then
8 what times will go now?
No, teacher.
No means?
We can't, 8 is not, 5 is not divisible in 8 table.
So in that case, what you will do?
That's what I didn't understand.
No, beta, if there is no point here, I will remove the point. Wait for a while. I will remove the point here. Now tell me how you will do this division.
You have to take 2 numbers, teacher.
You will take 2 numbers. 8 how many times? 8? 8? How many times? 8 sevens is how much?
8 sevens is 56.
Yeah, so you will go with 8 6 ja. 8 6 ja 48. But here we have a decimal point. According to the decimal division, what did I tell you? If you are using a digit from the decimal part, did you use a digit from the decimal part here?
Yes.
What is that digit?
2. Teacher?
Lot of disturbance from your side. You have used a digit from the decimal part. 2, isn't
Yes,
it?
teacher.
Before
Yes,
using
teacher.
the digit from the decimal point, you should put a point here in the quotient.
Okay, teacher.
So this is one of the concept. The other way I'll explain you. Wait. Now as a 5 is not divisible.
Yes, teacher.
Now what I will do is 8 zeros is 0. Okay.
Yes, teacher.
5 is brought down. Okay. Now I am using a
teacher.
digit from the decimal place. Okay.
Yes, teacher.
When I am using a digit from the decimal part, I should put a point in the quotient.
Yes, teacher.
So 8 6 ja, sorry, it's not proper. Just try to understand. Point is here. Okay. 8 6 ja 48. Okay. Just you will continue the division normally. That's all.
Yes, teacher.
Clear?
Yes, teacher. Thank you, teacher.
Okay.
Sapna teacher, last 3 minutes.
Okay, teacher. Thank you. Now, so we will discuss decimal by digit, decimal number by decimal number in our next class, and we have a simplification also. Today, what did we do?
Teacher, can I tell?
Yes.
Teacher, we learned how to divide.
So fraction. I mean two decimals.
Multiplication also we have discussed, isn't it?
Yes,
Sixth bit.
teacher.
Multiplication,
Sixth
sixth
bit.
bit. Fifth bit also we have discussed. Fifth
Fifth,
bit
sixth,
AB.
seventh, eighth.
Sixth AB we have
We
done.
discussed
Seventh
homework
AB we have done. Eighth AB also we have done. Okay. Now
Yes,
ninth
teacher.
one and 10th one we will discuss in the next class. Still we have, I think we have time, no? 2 minutes time. Okay.
We have
They-
1.20.
Less than a minute.
It's okay then. Today's homework, what you will do is
Yes,
you will
teacher.
practice all these sums. Practice these sums and try to write neatly in the technopads. We'll be checking your notes regularly.
Teacher, I didn't bring my Technopads, teacher. That when I took it this before only. I brought this type of these books, teacher. Can I
Yeah.
continue in that? Again, I didn't bring. Before lockdown only, I bought these books.
It's okay. If you have purchased textbooks and technopads, start writing
I
in
didn't
that.
purchase Technopads, teacher. I only
Okay.
purchased the books how we'll write in last year. I didn't purchase Technopads.
Okay, ma. Okay, you can write.
Can I continue in those books only?
Yeah.
Okay, teacher.
Now, any more doubts? Any doubts, children?
No, teacher.
8 divided is not divisible, teacher. Ananya, I think your doubt is cleared. We share draw mind map after a chapter. Yes, Yashaswini, after